Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. When you're watching this, I'll probably still be at Chester Lee Street Steam Rally, packing up, ready to come home. In tonight's nightcaps, in part one, I'll do some plasma cutting, a little bit of welding, I'll make some most taper tool holders, wall mounted tool holders for a viewer. I also machine a square of aluminium. I've showed the job before, but I'll show it again. An easy way to set up in a 4-jaw chuck using some parallels and some really strong magnets. Part 2 is going to be another episode of the Harker steam engine. I think I actually get it running in part 2 before it's completely dismantled. I'm up to part 7, I think it is, on the Patreon channel, but it'll slowly be coming down onto here, except you'll have adverts and there'll be no swearing. Anyway, that's enough talk, let's get on. I've been asked by one of my viewers to cut out some most taper tooling racks. I've measured the most taper and I reckon a 24mm and 18mm hole to do to drop them into. So I'm going to cut an 18 and a 24 in there just to make sure the size is alright before I finish the drawings. Cut the 24mm first. This is 2mm steel plate, which is more than strong enough for what it's got to do. Turn that speed up with a grinder on the back to knock the dross off. You're going to be absolutely spot on. To finish the drawings off, import the drawing into the computer and cut the two racks out. That's the idea of that line there, so that's the sort of the full line where it's going to bend across. Just 2 bits of angle lines, all you need really, nothing more elaborate than that. I'm going to run some make snot along there and that'll be the job ready to go. I did a job for my viewers, and I quite often get paid in wine because I do like a glass of red wine when I'm editing a video. The one thing I haven't got though, I haven't got a wine cork. So maybe the next time, well, not a wine cork, a wine cork remover. So I've got to go to great lengths to get the cork out of the wine. A nice coarse wood screw right in the centre. And this is a decent bottle of wine. This is the real I Am stuff, this. With a nice gear. So I've got the screw in. It's just through the cork, not all the way but just through. I find this vise is ideal because you can tilt it to get the right angle. You've got to be careful. A nice smooth pull, you don't want to damage anything. Oh, and that's it out. Perfectly decorked. That is a block of real nice stuff. I'm going to go upstairs and edit some video. I'm going to edit the video you're watching now, and I'm going to consume not all of that, but we'll have a good couple of glasses out of there. These are going to be adapter plates for throttle bodies for a rally car. What the lad wants us to do was bore a 67mm hole in the centre, then drill and tap those 4 6mm. He's tacked 2 together, so he gets 2 for the price of 1. To set this up in a 4-jaw chuck, I need to leave clearance behind the chuck, so it's there for the tool to go into, and it's a bit of a juggle trying to get a centre in there and trying to hold it in position. And I want to show you the easy or the simple way, just the way we are setting them up. So I've got 2 parallels with some little high strength magnets on them. That holds a parallel in place, so you haven't got to worry about them. There's another one. That's actually a magnet with a hard drive, computer hard drive. Right, so they're in there. And the plate goes onto them, so all you've got to worry about now is holding the centre. Now I have got a centre pop mark in there, so basically I can bring my tailstock centre into that mark. And then that's going to get me very, very near indeed. And what we've got to do now is nip these up in turn. Trying to push the magnet off. I'm just going to leave the spacers in there because I'm not going to run it that fast. They're not going to come out of there. They've got a real good hold, and there's enough clearance to get the 67mm hole in without hitting the parallels. See how that drill's only cutting on one flute. It hasn't been sharpened properly. So if I set this vernier to 67, and 0, when I measure that, it gives me an exact indication of what I need to take out of there, 22mm. So that's the size we've got to hit for. I could use my DRO and dial in there 22mm and just go from there. All but there now. The spring cut should clean that up to dead on size. I'll lift it up one gear. Still slightly, probably slightly oversized, save one more spring cut to do it. Not oversized, it's undersized. I think we'll be happy with that now. So if I zero that on 0 like that, measure it, we've got 66.9. I think we'll settle for that. I'm tempted to put a face and cut it across there, but I'll lose his red just for the other marks anyway. Just break that edge and take it out of there with a hand tool and then drill and tap those. So that's a simple way of setting up in a 4-jaw chuck using parallels. People will say it'll magnetise my chuck. I've done it for years and never had a problem. It also means you can stick the parallels into something and you won't lose them. Nice simple setup on here. Just to drill and tap the 6mm holes so they're nice and straight. The 5mm tapping drill so we've got a nice sharp thread. And I have got a machine tap here. I'm not sure what make it is. I think it's a cheap and cherry one, but we shall give it a try. And put the milling machine into jogging wood. A little bit of WD-40 tape, cutting fluid. Kerosene is actually the best, but it stinks and the wife doesn't like it, so I don't use it. Tap's doing alright, you can see all the swarfs coming out. Clean the hole as it goes. Just about there. Finish it off by hand, I think. It may reverse out, it may not. Sometimes these taps don't like, these chucks don't like holding taps running backwards. But I put a standard tap through just to finally clean the threads up, but they're nice and sharp. Nothing wrong with that. Setup's dead simple. Basically just turn it 90 degrees and we've got another one to do. You can get this very accurate to the point where the drill doesn't bend, doesn't deflect. That's it there. I think putting a variable speed motor with a reverse and a jog feature on this milling machine is one of the best improvements I've made to it. It really makes it a pleasure to drill and tap holes like this. Right, and once again, it's my dad's drill time. Amazing how many jobs I use this for. Every time I pick it up I get a great big lump of lead for it. I used to get wrong for doing it that way, I wouldn't do it that way. Anyway. We should see how now helping us do this. Happy days.